क्या आप जानते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश का एक ऐसा जिला भी है जहां इतिहास, संस्कृति और ग्रामीण जीवन की खूबसूरत एक साथ देखने को मिलती है। आज हम चलेंगे फतेहपुर की यात्रा पर और साथ ही सीखेंगे कुछ आसान इंग्लिश वर्ड्स जो आपकी इंग्लिश को बेहतर बना सकते हैं। सो स्टे विथ मी द एंड बिकॉज दिस जर्नी इज गोइंग टू बी बोथ इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड एजुकेशनल। Let's begin with the history of Fatehpur. Fatehpur is a historic district located between Kanpur and Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. The region has witnessed the rule of several dynasties, including the Mughal and the British. Over time, it developed as an important center of administration and agriculture. While its history gives us a glimpse of the past, its geography explains why the district became so important. Fatehpur is situated in the fertile plains of northern India. The district is blessed by rivers such as the Ganga and Yamuna, which support agriculture and provide water resources for local communities. The landscape is mostly flat, making it ideal for farming and settlement. Agriculture remains the backbone of the district economy, and the culture of Fatehpur makes those traditions even more meaningful. The culture of Fatehpur is rooted in simplicity, family values, and community celebration. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Makar Sankranti are celebrated with enthusiasm. Folk music, traditional custom, and village fairs continue to keep local tradition alive. The people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making visitors feel welcome. This rich culture is beautiful, reflected in the district's attraction and tourist palace. Fatehpur may not be among India's most famous tourist destinations, but it offers several palace warmth exploring. Visitor can experience peaceful riverbank, historic temples, and local heritage sites. Rural landscape and traditional village life provide a unique glimpse into authentic Uttar Pradesh. For travelers seeking calm surrounding and culture experience, Fatehpur offer a refreshing journey, and after exploring its attraction, it's time to understand why Fatehpur deserves attention. Fatehpur is a district where history, fertile land, traditional food, vibrant culture, and peaceful tourism come together beautiful. From its historical roots to be its agriculture strength, every part of the district tells a meaningful story. At the same time, learning simple English words through such a journey can make education more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this virtual journey through Fatehpur and learned some new words, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more district exploration across India. See you in the next video. Thank you.